Topic is insertion sort. Insertion sort is the simplest data sorting algorithm which sorts the array elements by shifting elements one by one and inserting each element into its proper position and then arranged simultaneously in some particular order. Consider the following unsorted list of elements: 15, 20, 10, 30, 50, 18, 5 and 45. Assume that sorted portion of the list empty and all the elements in the list are in unsorted portion of the list as shown in figure. So first sorted list is empty and unsorted list is 15, 20, 10, 30, 50, 18, 5 and 45. Move the first element 15 from unsorted portion to sorted of the list. So sorted list is 15 and unsorted list is 20, 10, 30, 50, 18, 5 and 45. To move element 20 from unsorted to sorted portion, compare 20 with 15 and insert it at correct position. So sorted list is 15 and 20, unsorted list is 10, 30, 50, 18, 5 and 45. To move element 10 from unsorted to sorted portion, compare 10 with 20 and it is smaller, so swap. Then compare 10 with 15 again, smaller, swap, and 10 insert at its correct position in sorted portion of the list. So sorted list is 10, 15, 20 and unsorted list is 30, 50, 18, 5 and 45. To move element 30 from unsorted to sorted portion, compare 30 with 20, 15 and 10 and it is larger than all these, so 50 is directly inserted at last position in sorted portion of the list. So sorted list is 10, 15, 20, 30 and unsorted list is 50, 18, 5 and 45. To move the element 50 from unsorted to sorted portion, compare 50 with 30, 20, 15 and 10 and it is larger than all these, so 50 is directly inserted at last position in sorted portion of the list. So sorted list is 10, 15, 20, 30 and 50 and unsorted list is 18, 5 and 45. To move element 18 from unsorted to sorted portion, compare 18 with 30, 20 and 15. Since 18 is larger than 15, move 20, 30 and 50 one position to the right in the list and insert 18 after 15 in the sorted list. So sorted list is 10, 15, 18, 20, 30, 50 and unsorted list is 5 and 45. To move element 5 from unsorted to sorted portion, compare 5 with 50, 30, 20, 18, 15 and 10. Since 5 is smaller than all these elements, move 10, 15, 18, 20, 30 and 50 one position to the right in the list and insert 5 at first position in the sorted list. So sorted list is 5, 10, 15, 18, 20, 30, 50 and unsorted element is 45. To move element 45 from unsorted to sorted portion, compare 45 with 50 and 30. Since 45 is larger than 30, move 50 one position to the right in the list and insert 45 after 30 in the sorted list. So sorted list is 5, 10, 15, 18, 20, 30, 45 and 50. Unsorted portion of the list has become empty, so we stop the process and the final sorted list of element is as 5, 10, 15, 18, 20, 30, 45 and 50. This is the sorted list in ascending order. Now what are the advantages of insertion sort? Now first advantage, it is relatively simple and easy of implementation. Second benefit is Second benefit is good performance with small list. Third benefit does not require extra memory. Fourth benefit is low overhead. And fifth benefit is good with sequential data that is being read in one at a time, for example tape, hard disk, etc.